Good morning. We back. Like I never left. What's good, man? I saw this move down here. And it's so funny because we talked about this yesterday, end of day. We talked about it last night as well, that bear flag. And, well, look at how beautifully it played out. Hourly chart had a nice bear flag there overnight, had a push up, got denied at the 797s, and then back down there 29,400 now. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, chat. Good morning. Someone said, I think we need to swipe the 29,360 low and then go up. Makes sense. All right. Well, okay. What do we got? Let me see. We got any news today? Checking out the onlyprofirms.com website. Today is the 16th. Got a little bit of news at 10 o'clock here. So the news had some news at 8:30 this morning. And then we've got some news at 10 o'clock there as well. So we got some news. We got some deals. We got some action. We're doing it live. West Coast, baby. We up in here. You know what I mean? We up in here. Did y'all miss me, chat? Did you miss me? Do you? I'm honest. Like, do y'all miss me when I'm gone? Do you miss me when I'm gone? Everybody wants to know. Do you miss me when I'm gone? Oh, buddy. Y'all had to deal with broccoli head last couple days, little broccoli head. Today's the day, man. It's going down. I don't know if y'all heard, but it is going down today. Either D-Money's going to lose his job or Lucas is going home. It's the D-Money versus Lucas head-to-head battle. Head-to-head battle, chat. You took second place? Oh yeah, second place in the tournament. $75,000. I forget that I wasn't live. I'll give you all a little recap of what went down. But you can see there, we're fishing on the boat Huntress. This is the boat that we fished on. That's the yellowfin tuna that we caught, 135 pounds. I caught the most marlin out of the entire tournament. You can see my name on the board there. Patrick Wieland, Patrick Wieland, Patrick Wieland 3 times. And we walked away with $75,000. We're fishing on the hunters there. So second place, $75,000. And I'm not going to lie. We had a moment. We had a moment where we almost won. We were hooked up. We had 1 hour left. We had a marlin on the hook, and we lost it. Man. Man, oh man, it was tough. It was tough, man. It was tough. But we got it. Landon was there too. Landon was there. We had the whole crew there. So we locked in $75,000 there. Fishing. Can't be mad about that. Made some money as well in my Lucid accounts here. That's me dancing. July 4th, you know, celebrating America. I know. I got the dance moves. What can I say? I got the dance moves. What can I say? We got another payout from Lucid secured. So that's 2 payouts in 6 days. That's my $200,000 watch. That's the caviar. You know, we live in LIVIN. I think I'm the only futures day trader that has a AP concept. I'm just saying, you know. And then we talked about this yesterday, but what do you guys think? Filet mignon or New York strip? I'm thinking New York strip is always the go-to now. You know, when I was younger, I thought that filet mignon was, you know, the cool thing. But honestly, the New York strip is the go-to. If you're gonna get a steak, you got to get a New York strip, right? It's the strip, right? New York strip is the best. Everybody knows that. Everybody knows that. Wagyu. Denny said Wagyu filet. Denny, you so full of shit. You don't even know what you're talking about. Denny don't even know what a good steak is. Denny don't even know what a good steak is. All right, he's crazy. We got the Lucas and D Money tournament, the head-to-head battle going down. It's going down. Lucas, B Money. Look at Denny. He's like, I had a steak one time. Will you sit down, Denny? Sit down, Denny. You do not. Denny does not get to give any feedback on steak. That boy don't even know what a good steak is, even if it jumped up and bit him in the butt. That's right. $49 right now. Apex. This has got to be the cheapest Apex has ever been. $49. $49 all-in cost on Apex 50K evals. Right now, we've got 2 traders left for the Legends tournament, the BDH tournament here. There's 2 traders left. And the best part is it's just 2 people that no one's ever heard of. So you gotta love that. We locked in with another $17,000 payout from Lucid. So from a Lucid. PW, can you stop taking a break from the stream? Why? You don't like Denny? What's wrong with Denny? What's wrong with Denny? What's wrong with Denny? I streamed last night, made $5,000 in my Lucid accounts live on YouTube last night at midnight. We traded the midnight candle. You gotta love it. $5,000 locked in there on Lucid, and now we are back to do it all over again. Today I'm heading down to Mexico, finally. We're going down to Mexico today to go look at a house, flying down in the helicopter, and then we're gonna fly back this afternoon. So just fly in for basically get lunch, get some lunch, and then fly back. So I told Landon we're gonna get some tacos, some of the best tacos I've had. So we go. All right, well, the bear flag. NASDAQ sold down here overnight. Looks like London, sell down there, 29,400 area. Bouncing around. We had some support down here, previous support. Will that be kind of a double bottom now? Do we push back up? We obviously have the gap fill. We've got yesterday's close there at that dotted line. Right now, market just move to the down. So let's see what happens. We'll see what happens. We got 50 Apex accounts to give away today. That's right, 50 Apex accounts to give away for the Lucas D-Money battle. That's going down today at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, Lucas D-Money. So, tune in. Tune in to win. The code PW gets you $49 all in. That's the activation fee. That's everything. That's like the whole entire caboodle. That's the whole caboodle. Everything you could ever caboodle. Well, you're going to caboodle it right here, my friends. Right here. What do you guys think? What are we feeling today? Up, down, sideways? Where are we going? Pretty big move here off of the EMAs here overnight. Pretty big move here overnight. That's right. Pretty big move. I can't. So frustrating too, because we talked about exactly this move happening. And look at it while I was sleeping. I went to bed at midnight, woke up this morning, and look at it now. It's only going up, man. Andrew 788 said no activation fee. Correct. The Apex 50K intra trailing drawdown account is $49. No activation fee. 50K intraday trailing drawdown. It is $49, guys. $49. That's all. No activation fee. Everyone asking about the activation fee. No activation fee. There's no activation fee. There's no activation fee. Shout out to Tradevate Prop, the official trading platform of Patrick Wieland and the BDH Ninja Trader. Tradevate, the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest, the largest, the biggest. You already know we doing it big, big, big. I got a surprise to talk about here coming up soon. Ninja Trader, PW, the biggest, the largest. You gotta love it. Birthday trading, Miss for Max says that it's his birthday. Well, happy birthday, Miss for Max. Let's go. Love to see it. Love to see it. Shout out to my homies in the chat. All right, well, it's all about looking for fair value gaps today, baby. We need some fair value gaps. Who's got a fair value gap? Fair value. You got a fair value? Anybody got a fair value gap? I'm excited for the battle. D-Money, Lucas, head to head. Who's gonna win? Honestly, though, if y'all had to bet your life savings, right? You had to bet everything. Who would you bet on? D-Money, Lucas. And you know, I'm gonna be honest. I do love D-Money, but I'm just being honest here. Like I said last night, I think, you know, D-Money's got a lot more pressure, right? If I was D-Money, I'd have a lot of, I'd be feeling the pressure, you know. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. Lucas isn't even in the same field as D-Money. I see a lot of people in the chat who are really kind of, you know, down on Lucas right now. But what are y'all gonna do if Lucas wins? You know, what are y'all gonna do if Lucas wins? That's what you got to ask yourself. Are you going to be okay with that? You know, are you guys, you know, how are you going to feel about that? How are you going to feel about that? Yeah, Denny said don't doubt Lucas. Denny's team Lucas, by the way. He's a big Lucas supporter. Denny's actually the person who brought Lucas into the BDH. So if you're not happy with Lucas, don't blame me. Blame Denny. It's all Denny's fault. Denny vouched for Lucas. He said that Lucas was really good at trading. So, I mean, you know. It's all Denny's fault. Blame Denny. All right, so you can see right here, this is my Lucid account. Check out my Lucid account here. We've gotten $30,000 in payouts now, and the consistency continues. You can see here, lock it in 4,000, 4,000, 3,000, 290, 600, 700, 490, 1,000. So the Lucid Pro account is printing. What's crazy is, like I said, literally I got this account, right? I got the account and activated it on Monday. We traded on Monday, made 4,000, made 4,000 on Tuesday, got a payout on Thursday. That's pretty, I mean, on Wednesday. So basically we traded Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, got a payout. We traded Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, got another payout. You gotta love it, man. You just gotta love it. That's right. Getting the payouts. Right now, NASDAQ pushing back up here off of these lows for now. We got the hourly chart. There's not much of a wick on the downside, but we do have this push back up. So the question now is, will we wick up before going back down here? Or will this be support and we start to push back up towards those highs again? Right now, just kind of bouncing there off of that pivot point for now. I would say at open, if we start to look weak, well, be looking for those lows to get taken out. And shoo! Uh-oh. We got someone in the chat said that Lucas is 100% going to win. Lucas is guaranteed 100%. Man. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. It's gonna be hot, hot, hot. Gonna be hot, hot, hot here. Gonna be hot, hot, hot. Ooh. Price action has been getting tighter and tighter here on the daily chart, so they're getting ready for something. They're getting ready for something, chat. Which way does it go? This has been since June. We've been basically chopping here. So June till July, chop chop city, feeling pretty. Getting ready for market to open up here. We got a lot of time still. Got 11 minutes till market opens. Got to see what happens. What's happening? So Denny brought Lucas to take D Money's job. That was basically what happened. Basically, Denny is mad that D Money beat him at basketball. So now Denny is trying to get rid of D Money. You know, some serious manipulation going on over there. Right now, NASDAQ just kind of chopping, holding up here. Oh man, I think I got the diarrhea bug. I gotta go to the bathroom again. Uh-oh. Give me 1 second, chat. BRB. Oh man. Oh man, it's gonna, oh man. Oh god, I got the diarrhea parasite. No lot, like no cap. I might have it. The worldwide one, the one that's taking over the world, diarrhea parasite. Oh my god, I got the parasite. I got the parasite, chat. It's taken over. If you have not heard about the parasite, I can't even sit down. I got the parasite. It's a real thing right now in the USA, actually. It's not even, I'm not even joking. Dude, it's a parasite breakout. Look. This is the, it's called Cyclospora. God, it hurt. Oh, God. I got it. I got it, man. 1,000 cases. I got the case. I got some cases. Some of the chat said, Paulo said, Lucas is more risk and aggressive trader like you, PW. D-Money has a lot of discipline. We're going to see either way. Today's the day, baby. D-Money versus Lucas. The biggest, the largest, it's going down. Right now, we popped up here to the 29,480 area. Obviously, we got the VWAP all the way up there at the 600s. It's time to ride, baby. It's time to ride. I'm gonna ride with it, ride with it. Do you wanna ride with it, ride with it? Do you wanna ride with me, ride with me? Do you wanna ride with me, ride with me? Here we go. 30 seconds, getting ready here. 30 seconds, people. It's going down. It's going down. We'll see what happens. Will the Bears continue to keep the onslaught going and sell this thing down? We're gonna see. We got a big move here for London. Down here at the pivot point for now, 29,370 holding up, about 100 points off that low so far. So here we go. Market is about to open. Be looking for possible shorts or, well, we see what happens on this first 5 minutes. Straight up here now, 29,500, 520s. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, the old NASDAQ. You got some volatility going on with NVIDIA right now too. Straight up here so far, 520s from 460s. The Bears getting squeezed. Market can only go up, they said. You gotta love it. Look at that. From the 460s up there to the 520s, still straight up. Both the ES and the NASDAQ straight up. Who's buying the dip here? Who's buying this dip? Who's buying the dip here? Are we gonna short this pop? I'm being patient right now. I got no trade open right now. I'm just kind of sitting back here, seeing what happens with that first pop of the day. I mean, at this point, if we start to sell down, you know, I'd be looking for these shorts, but giving a little bit of room here. Still like a lot of volatility right here. This thing's all over the place. So I want to see how this first 5 minute candle kind of plays out. We gotta wait. Fawn John said, I'm telling you, 680, 760. It could sell off, but those orders up there gotta get filled. All right. We'll see what happens here then. Right now, she's holding 500s. Pulled back to that EMA. Held the 500s. If we break, I'm gonna try a quick long here. Quick long for like 15 points through this high now. I was a little late to my entry there, but let's see if we can get it. Oh, buddy boy. Ooh, buddy boy. A little bit of trouble there. Right back down. Uh-oh. Not looking good. This is 20 Apex accounts. Uh-oh. Wow. Straight back down here for now. We lose 480s. I'm going to jump out. Just could not get through there. 480s. Oh, my Lord. That's painful. Straight down there, 480s now. Should have waited for that short setup. Amateur hour. Why did I do that? All right, if 480s can't hold, we're gonna jump out. We're watching this right there, that EMA. It don't look good. Let's see, can we bounce here? I'm jumping out there for now. That was not the move. The shorts were clearly the move there, just retarded. And then it's gonna chop right back up. You gotta love that. All right, patience, patience, patience. Fucking A. Patience, patience, patience. Patience, people, patience. Patience. Yeah, I mean, I know that was a terrible long. Like I said, I don't fucking retarded. You live and you learn, basically. Yeah, that was just terrible. Whatever. Don't do that. It's only a terrible long because it didn't go up. Yeah, well, I guess that's true. That's true. All right, so now, well, just holding up there, right? I mean, what the fuck? Looking like a short here. Trying to come back down now. I don't know why. Whatever. We lose this 440 level. Should start to move back down now. Got the overnight low down there, 360s now, so. Look at that. Selling. Sell through, try to get down there through the 400s possibly. We got our 15-minute range obviously coming up. We got 10 o'clock news here as well. 373 is that pivot point to the downside there. Can they sell it through the 400 straight down here? Oh, they want it. They need it. See what happens at this 29,400 level. We lose that 29,400 level. See if they get down there at 366 next. Chop City, feeling pretty for now. And right back up again. Kind of chopping here. I would say maybe if we break back below 4, maybe this is a short back below 420, but big range right now, just kind of chopping there. Watching how this candle's going right now. Look at this thing. It pushed back up, got denied. You got pending home sales as well. Watching to see if we're going to start to roll. I'm going to try the short here to try to get a new low. Possibly. A lot of volatility here, but if we can lose this 425 level, move down 380s. That's 20 points. Needs to break 400s. Looking for a new low. New lows. Take out the overnight low here. Wow. She's trying. We start to break through 400. I'll look to try to trail this a little bit. Basically got stop at break even right there, so. Jimmy Patel is going to start going long. All right. Well, let's see what happens. Looking for a new low down there. I think we can get it. Take out the overnight low here, but right there at that pivot point. Right there at that pivot point for now. And right back up. Fucking A, man. Right back up there, Chop City. For now, so. Stops me out and then goes right back up. You gotta love it. You said 300. Well, I said this low down here. What are you saying, 300? And yep, what the fuck, man? Right back down. Stop. That sucks. Welcome back. Welcome back to trading. Fun. Gotta love it. La 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 la. You gotta, are you straight down there? There you go. That sucks. That sucks. All right, well, NASDAQ continued to go down. We were up like 40 points there on that short, but is what it is. Fuck, look at this. Fucking retarded. It's fucking retarded, man. All right, well, there it is. Straight down there to the lows now. Taking out the lows there. You gotta love that. Straight down. Everybody in the chat, shut the fuck up telling me what to do right now. God. People in the chat, Patrick, get long. Patrick, get short. Patrick, get long. All right. Well, just you fucking do whatever you're gonna do and you just shut up. God. Imagine like sitting here telling me, Patrick, do this, do that. Patrick, do this, do this. Patrick, do this, do that. Patrick. Just fucking, why don't you put on some trades and you just shut up? All right, well, here we are pushing back up here now. 350, 360s. Can we push through here? I'm trying to quick long. See if we can't get back up towards the 80s again and then try to reshort maybe. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. And taking out this low again. If we take out this low, I'm going to jump out. Yep. Stopped out there again. God. Oh, God. Like, gotta love it. Straight down here. 5-minute chart still going down, down, down. $300s now. God. La, 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 la. It doesn't even make sense sometimes. We can lose 300s here, obviously. If we go bigger time frame, we've got some support here at 300. I think we swipe 300s, could be a bounce play, or maybe even before 300 here. Let's see what happens at that 300 area. We got 10 o'clock news coming out here as well. So 10 o'clock news coming out. We need some kind of pushback up here right now. It's just straight down. Lieutenant Dan, 15-minute range now. We broke the 15-minute range to the downside. So we'll see if they're going to swipe those 500s. 300s, sorry. Need some kind of retest to build out a better bear flag here. So far, straight down. We took a short, got stopped out on the fucking short, and then it comes right. Look at that, 100 points afterwards. You gotta love it sometimes. Still going down. 300 is breaking now. 300 is breaking now. $280s. 270s. God, man. Crazy work. I'm just still blown away that we got stopped out of that short for break even, and then look at it now. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta just laugh about it sometimes. Market selling. It's a selling. I'm trying this long here. We were bouncing down here, trying to keep. Probably a terrible idea. Gonna get stopped out instantly. Get some kind of reaction. We broke that 300 level. We took out that low, the previous low there. So let's see if we can get back up here towards like 320s, maybe 340s even. That's 40 points right there if you take profit. I mean, I don't know. Let's even go for a little bit more. That 5-minute candle, the last 5-minute candle high is 335. So I'm thinking that we can try to push above that. Maybe. I'm basically targeting this previous 5-minute candle high to try to retest that area. There's got to be some kind of retracement here on the 5-minute chart now. So right now, pushing back up there to the bottom of the 15-minute range. Kind of consolidating. I'm going to move this up a little bit more to see if we can go a little higher. You got a big bounce on the ES currently. Big bounce on the ES. Can we get more though? There's the 40 push. The next level that I'm interested in would be like 370s maybe to push back up into. We just took out that 5-minute candle high, which was the original kind of target. Looking for a little bit more. Almost 350s there. Getting very close. I'm going to move this up a little bit more. Go for 66s. ES is all the way back up in the middle of the 15-minute range right now. NASDAQ a little bit slower, but trying to see if we can bust through it. Bust it down. Bust it down, Lieutenant Dan. My stop's at break even now, so we can't lose, but trying to see if we can get a little bit more out of it. Try to push up into this maybe 400 level. And yep, right back down. Should have stuck with my original plan. We took out that 5-minute candle high, right? The 5-minute candle high was the original kind of target, 340s. A little bit of a retracement now. We'll see what happens here. Chevy Riding said, you can't learn or teach anything in the stock market. It's random. I mean, you can learn how to get fucked by the stock market. You can definitely learn how to get fucked, sir. I'm still holding this long now. I think we can push. I like the idea of maybe getting up there towards the 400s again. It's there. I mean, it's just, can we go there? You know what's going to happen now. It's going to pull back, stop me out, and then go straight back up. All right, stopped out there for now. NASDAQ right back to the lows. Big dump here again. Gotta love it. We got news coming out here at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock news. NASDAQ down here to the lows. I'm just going to swipe it right back up again. Fucking A, man. Dude. And right back up. 300s again. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. How's the New York session so far? It's not good. I mean, honestly, we had some good opportunities. Just there's like zero follow through right here. So, you know. Kind of is what it is, I guess. We got 3 minutes until this news comes out. 10 o'clock news. We took a short. We took a long at open. We took a short at open. We took a couple. Another short got stopped out. Took a long, got stopped out. Break even. We had a couple, like 3 or 4 break even trades today. So every single break even trade was up like 20, 30 points. So I mean. Just getting chopped up here right now. Impressive to say the least. You couldn't do this if you tried. You can't do this if you tried. We got a minute till his news comes out. 1 minute till news. NASDAQ chopping here. Got a big range here on this on these 5-minute candles now. Looking, well, see what happens as the news comes out here. 50 seconds, a minute till the news comes out. They're holding these lows for now. That's for sure. But we'll see if this news comes out and it's bullish or bearish. Bullish, bearish news coming out here in 30 seconds. $15 seconds till the news. Pivot point right there at the 370s now, so. The news is out. NASDAQ's back up towards that pivot point for now. Will they break through there? ES is back up to the middle of the 15-minute range. NASDAQ back up here at 380. Are they going to slam this back down now is the question. Are they going to slam it? Are they slamming it, chat? On the 15-minute chart, we got a wick, we got a big wick, we got this wick. So you can see kind of a bottom forming here for now. Will this be the V back up here? Do we start to V back up? Where do you see that there's 10 o'clock news? Onlypropfirms.com. Go to onlypropfirms.com, zoom down to the bottom here. You can see the news came out today, 10 o'clock news there. So every morning you got the news. 8:30 news came out. We had 10 o'clock news came out there. So business inventories, pending home sales, or pending sales, yeah. So that just came out there, 10 o'clock news. So onlypropfirms.com gets you the best deals. Find out what's hot in the prop firm space currently. Back up here. Man, oh man, oh man. This has been fun this morning. Look at those candles down there at the lows now. Nasty, nasty. All right, so I would say basically I want to see this back up over the middle of the 15-minute range, that 915 area, right? If I'm looking for those longs there, that would be kind of the line in the sand to break out, get back above 400, and then try to squeeze up there through the 420s. Right, middle of that 15-minute range. A lot of times that middle of that 15-minute range can just be either resistance or sometimes it turns into support and vice versa. So yeah, I mean that it's just that long. We had a long down there at the 260 area, and here we are now. Just had to survive the chop down there basically. You gotta love it sometimes. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. All right, we're pushing into the middle of the 15-minute range. The ES is through the middle of the 15-minute range. The VWAP right now is all the way up there at the 500s. Right, 500s VWAP up there. So will she pump or will she dump from here? This would be the perfect spot to start dumping back down, right? The middle of the 15-minute range now playing out here. So let's see. Basically for the short, it's like you kind of want it back below the 15-minute bottom of the 15-minute range. So Cedric said he just passed his eval on the long. Well, fucking A. Fucking A, boy. What would you say if ICT and Tory Trades had a baby? Well, that'd be freaky. That's for sure. That'd be one freaky baby. Look at NVIDIA. Yeah, NVIDIA just, I mean, I see it, guys. It's going nowhere. NVIDIA's stuck right now. If NVIDIA starts rolling back over, well, we'll see if the NASDAQ will follow. 207 on NVIDIA, just kind of holding up down there. You can see the ES pushed all the way back up there to the VWAP, right? So this is the ES chart. We pushed right through the middle of the 15-minute range there on the ES. And right now tapping the VWAP there, getting stuck. So the ES is getting stuck here. NASDAQ's getting stuck. So this will be interesting to see if we start to sell back down here. 5-minute candle pumping here again. 420s to break out, maybe. Towards the VWAP level, 500s, top of the opening range. We got the gap fill, obviously yesterday's close, right, is all the way up there at that dotted line. We had a little bit of news come out this morning. Right now, just sitting there stuck right below 400. Both the ES and the NASDAQ kind of stuck here. I want to see, this is that make or break moment. Either we're going to pump or we're going to dump. Pump or dump. We got some candle highs over here on the side too. This candle, you got 34 and then all the way up there to the 70s possible, I would say. Da, 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 da. I still can't believe. Ugh. I can believe it, obviously, but la, 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 la. Today was one of those days where it just, I think we had a couple good trades. Just, I don't know. It's funny, right? We got, I mean, we took a short, we got stopped out break even, right? We shorted here. We shorted right there. I had my stop right here, break even. We got stopped out there. It moved all the way down to here. We took a long here. Right, it pushes up. We got stopped out break even. It moved down into here, and then now just squeezing back up. So SRD said size down and start taking 15 points. I'm not asking for anybody's fucking advice. At no point this morning have I said, guys, will you guys teach me what to do? Will somebody in the chat please teach me how to trade? Like, I don't want 15 fucking points, you fucking idiots. Like, you all just suck my dick and you just sit back and watch the fucking show. Like, D-Money can take 10 points all he wants, but I don't want 10 points. I'm a goddamn millionaire. All right, I'm a goddamn millionaire. I want more points. I want all the points. Right, I've been green in these Lucid accounts for the last 2 weeks, and y'all trying to tell me how to do it. Y'all telling me how to do it. I don't want to be. I do it how I do it. All right, well, NASDAQ is pumping. Back up here now. You got to love it. You got to love it. I mean, everybody said, someone in the chat said that he might be a good trader, but he just gets greedy. I mean, it is what it is. When the market goes up, the market goes down. So, I mean, it is what I don't fucking know. I can't control the market. There you go. Market is now breaking out here through the 420s. That's 50 points to the upside. He doesn't have to be a good trader. I mean, oh God. I'm a terrible trader, clearly. I don't know what to do. The funny thing is, I've gotten more payouts this month alone than D-Money has gotten in the last 6 months. So, I mean, for all the D-Money people out there, you can ask yourself that question. Ask yourself that question. Ask yourself that question. All right, here we go. Back up there to the VWAP now. What a reversal off the lows here. I'm waiting for a better setup, for a long setup here. Someone said the backseat drivers are ruining my day. I mean, no one's ruining my day by any means. I'm having a great day either way. I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it, okay? Tara Reed says, why would you say that? The jealousy you have is for him. The jealousy... Tara Reed, how am I jealous of D-Money? I just stated a fact. For everybody in the chat that always says that D-Money's better than me, all I said was, let's compare payouts. That's all. How am I jealous? If the chat wants to talk shit, I just wanted to talk receipts. That's all. That's all I said. It's not jealousy. It's just receipts. That's all it is. It's receipts. I got receipts. You know, that's all. I mean, I got receipts. You know, hey, I'm just talking about receipts. That's all. I mean, that, you know, if you look at my Lucid payouts here, 3,500 July 14th, 30,000 July 7th, 2,000 June, 3,500 in May, so that we got $30,000 from Lucid in May. We got another 10,000 in June. We got another 35,000 in July. I mean, hey man, you know, y'all want to talk? Here's the results. No results needed. No results needed. We got D-Money and Lucas coming up here today. The battle, the young buck versus the old buck. Who's gonna get the buck? Hey, that's funny, right? The old buck versus the young buck. Who's gonna get the buck? That's right, Lucas D-Money. Lucas D-Money. But you also blow 100 evals to get those payouts. Hey man. Say whatever you want. If you think that D-Money doesn't blow evals, then I got $1 million to give you. Just send me your bank account info with your social security number. Just go ahead and send me your bank account info with your social security number, and I'll get that money right over to you. Don't you worry about it. Don't you worry about it. You know what I mean? Don't you worry about it. You just go ahead and give me that money. Give me your money. NASDAQ still trying to push up here. I'm waiting to see. I mean, there's the push. Fuck. I wanted to try. I should have kept trading these Lucid accounts. We made 5,000 of those loose count last night, and I should have kept them open, but I locked them out. I should have just kept trading them. Whatever. I think this is the bull flag, right? I mean, la 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 la. Bull flag set up to go higher here through the 500s next, right there at the VWAP now. She's trying to push. I like these longs. I'm just trying to figure out where I want to get long, like how long I want to get, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, chat? Sometimes you just got to know when to get long, and then you got to know when to get long. So I'm trying to figure out when to get long here. I just want to go long. Long, daddy, long. It's a long, daddy, long. Daddy long legs. It's a daddy long legs. We're kind of setting up here, right? We're kind of setting up there to go through the 500s here, possibly. Waiting, watching, waiting. I want to see this kind of clean up a little better. We're right below the VWAP there. The ES pumped, right? Look at the ES right now. The ES pumped all the way up there. I like this long. I'm gonna try the longs. I'm gonna target the opening range high area. So we'll see. We'll see. Overall risk to reward. We need the risk to the reward. Nvidia pumping back up here. NASDAQ having a little bit of trouble. Can we get it? Yep, still got the trading showdown at noon. D-Money, Lucas, the trade showdown of the century. Trade century of the trade. There's the 500 trying to push. We get through this 500s. I'll try to move my stop up to trail it a little bit. But I want to see us get above this opening range high area. 540s. This is the 1 minute chart, yes. That's 30 points, by the way. If you took it, congratulations. This is the 1 minute chart we're looking at right now, yes. Chop Chop City. Stuck there. Pure Vault said, "Sir, you hired D-Bunny, so if he's better than you, that's all right. No problem." All right. Sounds good. Enoch said he's still long from 260. You're long from 260? The fuck? Wish I was long from 260. Who bought who a G-Wagon? I mean, same. That's a good question. Who bought who a G-Wagon? I ain't never got no gift from D-Money. Okay? I ain't never got no gift. He ain't give him no gift. It's messed up. D-Money don't give me no birthday present, no Christmas present. I'm gonna pull this back a little bit. We got a little bit of wiggle room. These are 150K accounts, so I'm gonna give it a little bit of room. Maybe look for an ad here on the pullback. Could look for like a 420 maybe ad down here. We pushed right there to the VWAP. Obviously got denied for now, but I think we could be, we'll be all right. Tanner Simmons, September 3rd, you'll be in South Beach. Maybe you can see the BDH. Maybe. You pay. Hey, you keep on donating $5 a day. Okay, you keep on donating $5 a day. We'll call it even. All right. I like that pushback up here. That's what we wanted. The ES is going to the moon right now. I'm gonna try to add here. I think we're going to the moon, boys. We're gonna go for it. Look at the ES right now. If you look at the ES just pumped through the opening range high. So we got to see if the NASDAQ can follow here. This is a similar move that I'm looking for on the NASDAQ. Trying to go for that, maybe that gap fill. Oh, right back down again. Let's see what happens. Got to hold this 460 level. Just chopping there now. Ugh. VWAP chop for now, yeah. Don't go long below the VWAP. Don't do it. Don't do it, chat. Back down 440s. Motherfuckers. Motherfuckers. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. So a lot of chop here. Right there, the VWAP got denied. Back down 440s now. Ugh. Yeah. Long's not looking too hot now. All right, stopped out of that long there. That did not work out, obviously. Straight back down off the VWAP now. You do gotta love it sometimes. Why do you disrespect D-Money all the time? I don't disrespect D-Money. I fucking pay D-Money. D-Money gets paid every fucking month because of me. The fuck you talking about disrespecting? The fuck you think this is? A charity over here? You motherfucking people in the chat. Patrick, why are you so mean to D-Money? Hey man, D-Money, if he wants to leave, he can leave whenever he wants. Ain't nobody forcing him to stay here. God. All right, well, right back to the middle of the 15-minute range for now. You gotta love it. Chop Chop City. Chop Chop City. Chat's gonna be real mad when I fire everybody. Chat's gonna be, all the trolls are gonna be real upset. Yeah, because the funniest is they think that they think that by trying to piss me off that they're going to like get D-Money, but what they're gonna do is they're gonna piss me off and they're not gonna get D-Money. I own D-Money. D-Money's mine. He can't go nowhere. Just kidding. But really though, he does have a non-compete, so you know, it's gonna get weird. Is it gonna start rolling back over here or what? Like, what the fuck? It don't look hot. Like I'm I feel like maybe it's a short setup, but I don't fucking know. Just massive chop right now. The best you can do is trade swings and travel. Let D-Money handle the business. The fuck? Y'all, what are you talking about? It said it was a bear trap. Maybe. I mean, right now it's doing something here. Trying to roll back over. Patrick, on the Apex no activation fee, you still have to pass the eval. Yes, you still have to pass the eval. It's not a like directive funded account. I see a lot of people saying long, saying short. Yeah, 1 day to pass on Apex. We're right there in the middle of the 15-minute range. ES is still pushing up. I mean, it's kind of given the vibe that it wants to go higher. So I'm gonna try a long here. We'll see if we can just get like a pop up into this 60 area quickly. As it's like chopping around here. Going for 100-point trades today is not the play, clearly. That is not the play. There we go. That's nice. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. It went up, it went up. All right, we're back. From the 39s up there to the 63s. I think now, if we can just, we gotta be patient here. This is looking really tight, right? It's like if we get above this VWAP level, we should try to go for the opening range high area, 530s or more. Right now it's 1028. Ideally, you could wait, for maybe a little later, going like 1050 area, but like going into the close of that hourly candle here. Hourly candle, we pushed all the way back up here now. It's getting real tight. Bull flagging here again. If we get a little pullback, I might look for a long again. If we pull back like into this level and wick off that, could be another long entry. We got the D-Money and what's his name? Lucas? Lucas. They're gonna be battling it out here. They're gonna be battling it out here later on, so we'll see what happens. We took a long from the 39s. That's up to the 80s now. Can we get some more though? There's that new 30-minute candle just opened. Looking for a pullback here. Try to long. All right, we're gonna try that long there. See if this is going to have some momentum to push above 500 next. Looking for 500 to push here. That's 10 points, by the way. W's in the chat only. I gotta start taking them 10-point trades, baby. 10 points only. Nothing else. Getting real tight here either way. Something big is coming. There's something big coming here. Ugh. That's not ideal. Back into the 440s again. These 5-minute candles, man, they're just kind of fucking... Look at these, just stuck here now. Like, I know what's going to happen. The minute that I put my stop here, I'm going to get stopped out, and then it's going to go right back up. But see what happens. I think there's a lot of room to the upside here, to be honest. Like, if we could pump through 500, I think we could go all the way to the 600s next. I mean, overnight high is all the way up there at 29,780. So I don't think it's a crazy idea that we're gonna pump out of here 100 points. Look at those 5-minute candles getting very tight right now. Like I said, kind of going into the end of this hourly candle might be some better price action. Right now we are just kind of back up here into the VWAP area. Just got to get through that VWAP strong. 5-minute chart, I mean, basically stop below this low here. It's kind of a bigger range than I would normally like to have for a stop, but if you think about it, you're risking here for a target of like up into here. So I mean, that's if that's your long here, you're risking what? Risking, yeah, I mean, it's 60 for 150, right? Risking. ES is going for the gap fill right now. If you look at the ES is almost back to green on the day right now, right? ES up there 7,600. Do I trade ICT now? No, I just put it in the thumbnail so that way I get more views. All the ICT people out there. Got to make more money. More money, more problems. We're right there at the VWAP. We just got to clear out this VWAP level. Clear out the VWAP, and I think we're going to go, but you know how that goes. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. If you wanted to wait for the safer play, you could wait for the 500 breakout, I think. Get through this VWAP strong. She's just chopping. just chopping here. La 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 la. Next move will be 100 to 200 points. I like it. I do like that idea. Let's see if we can get 100 pointers. 100 pointers. La 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 la. La 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 la. Getting tight, tight, tight. We're long, long, long. Tight, tight, tight. Long, long, long. Dang, 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 dang. All right, we are long. Looking for this push, guys. We want to go for a big one. We're consolidating. All this consolidation, you got to think that there's a move coming, right? I mean, we're so fucking close to breaking out here. Through the 500s, this is, I think, going to go parabolic. Parabolic. All right, there's 10 points through the 500s now. It pops right through 500. Can we keep that momentum up? Keep that momentum up to go. Oh my lord. Wow. Wow. They said, hold on a second. We're not going just yet. We got more time to wait. We're gonna have to wait longer. We're gonna have to wait longer. Hold my beer, the VWAP. It's the 1 minute chart we're looking at right now. 1 minute chart. Wow. Never mind. Just take profits. I love when the chat says something as obvious as, Patrick, just take profit. Okay. Just take profit, Patrick. Yeah, no, I mean, yeah, you're right. Okay. Wow. It's gonna suck to get stopped out here. I hope we don't get stopped out, but that rejection, not looking good. I'm trading a funded account, Jesse. Trading a funded account. Thanks for asking. Why does it matter? Either way, the trade is live on YouTube here. And yeah, right back down. Gonna stop me out here now. Fuck my life. All right, well, Chop City. Kyson says, "Why are you a dick, Patrick?" He asked a simple question. Well, first off, that's not a he. That's not a he. That's a woman, or a stud, whatever you want to call it. That's a dude. That's a woman, man, a man, woman. That's a man, woman. So, it's a woman with a man. So, yeah, I wasn't being a dick to him. I was being a dick to her. You motherfuckers, NASDAQ, you gotta be kidding me right now. They do this shit on purpose, man. They do this shit on purpose. Why take it long if you have a lot of resistance? Oh, I don't know, chat. I mean, I don't fucking... You guys act like I fucking know where the market's gonna go every 5 minutes. Right? I got no fucking idea. What do you want from... It's... Oh, God. Patrick, why'd you go long? It went down. God. I can't. I try to figure out like what these people, like what are they, like who are these people? Who are these people, man? Hey, and by the way, for all the geniuses in the chat, we were long at 68. It went to 520 area. I mean, if you didn't take profit, don't be mad at me. You know? I'm not even having an off day. What are people talking about? Oh my God. Like, I'm still green. I got stopped out. Like, I don't, like, Patrick's having an off day. I'm not having an off day by any means. I don't fucking know. It's just chop, man. And look, right back up again. I literally don't fucking know. God. Patrick, why are you having an off day? It's just we're getting stopped out a lot. I don't fucking know. It's chopping, man. Patrick, when are you gonna stop caring what people on the internet think about you? I mean, I don't really care. I'm just playing with the chat, trying to keep the entertainment up. By the way, guys, you know, there's a bit of like a, you know, entertainment purpose to this, you know, I'm not really mad. I'm actually, after this, I'm gonna go get my helicopter and then fly down to Mexico. So yeah, no, I'm okay. I'm not actually mad. We're just joking, you know. So I think it's more fun to kind of argue with the chat than it is to not, but maybe we can just turn the chat off. We can be like 8 ICT and just get rid of the chat. That could be a plan too. Should we just try that? No more chat ever. And then I just won't read just no more chat. Let's get rid of the chat. We're getting rid of the chat. No more chat. It's gone. There's no more chat. No more chat. It's gone. We're getting rid of the chat. I can't even turn it all the way off. Damn it. No more chat. Got rid of it. Now it's members only. Now I can yell at people that people pay me. Oh my God, NASDAQ, what are you doing? It's so hard to make money, man. It's hard to make money in this market right now. I feel like, you know, you gotta just... take what you can get. This is not the kind of market to get greedy in. You got Nvidia moving back to the lows. You got NASDAQ just chopping right here in the middle of the range for now. 5-minute chart, just nasty. Can't pick a direction here. So it's 10:45. We got about 15 minutes until obviously this hourly candle closes. I was talking about this earlier. Maybe we would get, you know, at the end of that hourly candle, something would happen. Right now, obviously, you just kind of stuck there at the VWAP. So it's just chop. You can't really get short. You can't really get long. It's a nothing burger. Andrew said, just buy when it's oversold and sell when it's overbought. Guys, Andrew, how much money have you made with that strategy? I would love to see your payouts. Andrew, I would love to see the payouts from your strategy of just buy when it's oversold and get long and sell when it's overbought. I would absolutely love to see your payouts with that strategy because I'm sure it works great. I'm sure it's 100% profitable. Just buy when it's overbought and oversold, and then sell when it's overbought. Simple. Been doing it wrong this whole time. We got Mr. Warren Buffett in the chat here. Guys, listen. Just buy it when it goes down, and then sell it when it goes up. It's guaranteed to work. It's pretty much, it's foolproof. Absolutely fucking foolproof. You can't lose on that strategy. It's like, I don't know why would anybody trade any other strategy but buy when it's oversold and sell when it's overbought? It's just genius. It's fucking genius, chat. The $1 million question though that I have for Andrew is, how do you know? Oh, Andrew said he tripled his account in 6 months with that strategy. Wow. Luckily, he made so much money that he's bored, and instead of just making money and shutting the fuck up, he's now here in the live stream to let us all know about his strategy. We're very lucky to have Andrew with us here today. Thank you, Andrew, for your support. All right, well, yeah, NASDAQ's stuck here, going nowhere quickly. Nvidia's pulling back. I don't fucking know, man. It's a chop. That's all it is. It's just fucking chop. Absolute chop here. Oh my fucking God. Yeah, it's gonna be fun for D Money and Lucas later. It'll be real fun for them. Nvidia looking weak. Nvidia kind of selling off down there at 207. So will they start to dump it back down? Well, we have to dump it back down here. I'm trying this short. I saw Nvidia selling, so I'm gonna go for it. Nvidia is making new lows right now. See if the NASDAQ will do the same to break through these lows at least. I want at least 40 points here after all that fucking pain. Yeah, Nvidia is selling. NASDAQ's looking weak here, so let's see if we can get a breakout of this range. Just gonna pop it all the way back up, maybe. Do 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 do. I'm gonna move my stop like right here, 420. Either we're gonna dump down here or, well, I'm gonna move right to the high of this candle now and try to trail this down a little bit. We got a pivot point coming up here at the 360 area. Try to go for 100 points there, possible. Nvidia is selling 206 on Nvidia, 206.80 still selling there. So if Nvidia keeps selling, it's hard for the NASDAQ to go up. Nvidia is a big chunk of the NASDAQ. We are short here from the 448s. Trying to get this breakdown of this big consolidation zone. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. And yeah, Nvidia is sell right now. 206.20 now. Nvidia going straight down here. I think the NASDAQ could bleed out here now. Possibly. It's got to stay below 400 here. If we get back above 400, we might just chop right back up there. But I think if they can keep it below 400, we could get this move down. We're right there to that, going down to this pivot point now. You can see we're still inside the 15-minute range. This is that pivot point that I'm talking about. We're right there. I think, you know, pretty much bottom of that 15-minute range is possible here. But we might just go for the 100 points. And am I not glad that I listened to Andrew? Yes, Andrew taught me everything. Chat, I need some W's. Can I get some W's in here? Can I get some W's? I'm trailing. We're at 396 now for take profit. See if we can get the full 100 points. Can we get some W's in the chat? I mean, you know. I gotta open the chat back up for the haters really quickly just so I can remind them who's daddy. I'm the daddy now, boys. I'm the daddy now. I'm the daddy now, boys. I'm the daddy now. Oh, God. Started talking about being daddy, and then it popped right back up. God damn it. That's the 9 EMA is the blue line on the chart. I mean, we're right here at this pivot point, so this could just kind of pop it back up. I'm fine with that either way. That's still 50 points. We'll take 50 points. I'm not going to be greedy here. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out for 50 points. Yeah, so let the chop continue right off that pivot point for now. Maybe we push back up, build out a better bear flag, or maybe it's just going to stop me out just to go lower. Also a possibility. Also a very possible scenario. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. We're almost 3 minutes away from this hourly candle closing. We've got D-Money and Lucas coming up at 12 o'clock. The battle. They're going to be battling. We got Apex accounts to trade. See who can pass an Apex account live on YouTube. Who can do it? Who can do it? Yeah, right back up 400 again. So, good thing we got stopped out where we did. You can see that pivot point for now, just kind of acting as support. I'm okay with I'm okay with another short setup. Just gotta wait to see if we get another setup here. What does the winner get? The winner of the battle head to head gets a job and $5,000. So that means if D-Money loses, well, he loses his job and Lucas gets his job. So there can only be one. There can only be one. Wow. Wow. What? What does this even mean? With all due respect, Pat, grown-ass man needs a pair of strangers to get him back on track. Pretty weak-minded. Be a man. Take the heat. Learn from your students, D-Money and Denny. You're getting sloppy. What does that even mean? What does that even mean? We just literally had a fucking 50-point trade there. Oh my God. I truly don't understand the hate. I don't understand it. I don't get it. I don't understand the hate. It's crazy. Is there any other channel out there that it's like this? Is it like this? Other places? Is it just like, do people just like, are people just fucking have no brain power? Learn from my students. Wow, look at this pump right back up. The bulls are back. Nvidia stopped selling off, so I'm looking for a possible long here. Well, there I'm gonna get long, and we'll see if this is gonna now start to push back up here. The funny thing is, like, I take more trades than anybody on the internet, right? Like, I trade every day more than anyone else out there, and obviously, like, not every trade's gonna work out. I get it. Right? It's just, you know, not every trade's going to be a winning trade. But I don't think people understand that at the end of the day. Like, if I took one trade a day, you know, I probably would have 0 losers. But the fact that I'm literally taking trades every 5 minutes for the purpose of, you know, entertainment purposes, obviously, you know, not every trade is going to work out. So I mean, I don't know. So we'll try to add there on that pullback into that EMA. I don't know. Just chopping here. Probably bad idea, but let's see what happens. I'm going to look to hold this till at least 500 or more. Marcus Vile, sir, why don't you give away many accounts? There are other sites that give away free account every 3 hours. Heading there now. I mean, cool. If the only way that other people can get views is to give away accounts every 3 minutes, that's nice. Why do you choose only to use a 21? Well, I don't. That is the 9 EMA on the chart here. That's the 9 EMA that we're looking at right now. So that's the 9 EMA. 9 EMA on the 1 minute chart. I mean, realistically, you know, at the end of the day, would I be trading this right now? No. You know, if I wasn't live on YouTube, would I be trading this chop right here? Probably not. That would, you know, I would just walk away at this point. Obviously, we're learning why it's better to walk away. I don't know. So yeah, just chopping right back over there. So we're right back down again. We popped up, pulled back again. Just one of those days. Sometimes up, sometimes down. And yeah, right back down 400s again. So the shorts, the chop just continues here. I don't know. Wilson is gold said, look for a long now. Okay. BRB looking for a long now. Nvidia is right back to the low of day again, so. I Will Doyles asked a question in the chat. He said, can you talk about ways to improve entries? I'm doing okay, but I get stopped out at times because of late entries. I mean, it's probably not your entry. It's probably just the fact that you're entering during a chop or consolidation area. If you're getting stopped out there. I mean, yeah, I mean, it's easy to like blame your entries, but yeah, I mean, it's not, you know, it's not always your entries. Sometimes it's just the market being, you know, being dumb basically. So I don't know. I wouldn't say it's just your entries. I'd say it's just you need to be more patient. I don't know. I don't really, yeah, I don't know. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. And NASDAQ right back down again. Nvidia selling again. NASDAQ back down towards this pivot point. The chop continues. The shorts are in control here. Back below 400 again. I'd say probably the best thing to do right now is just don't take a trade, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. Mr. Giant, did you miss the battle? What fucking time is it, Mr. Giant? Mr. Giant, what fucking time is it? God, did you miss the battle? No, you didn't miss the fucking battle. Sometimes this chat. All right, well, NASDAQ going absolutely fucking nowhere. Chop Chop City, feeling pretty. Otis Steven, would you say that if someone has been learning to trade the last 6 to 8 months, that if the market returns to normal price action, they will have success? I mean, you know, the market's always, it's never normal, right? You know that. Like, it's, you know, you do know that. Like, it's not like, this is not like, oh my God, this has never happened before. I mean, we're always sitting here complaining and crying about the price action. Every, you know, like every month of the year, it's the same fucking thing. Ah, man, fucking January always sucks. February sucks. March sucks. April sucks. You know, May sucks. It's always the same thing. It's the market is always just fucked. There's more follow through after the summer. I mean, maybe not. It's always bullshit. Like the market, it's never like, you never just go, oh my God, the market. It's always bullshit. I don't know why people think that like magically one day the market's gonna be better. Like, oh man, if you just wait long enough, tomorrow the market's gonna be better, guys. I promise you, tomorrow. It's just always bullshit. It's just constantly bullshit. I think we just try to like cope. We try to like create this narrative that, oh man, if I could just, this market right now is terrible for me, you know? I've been trading now for 10 years and it's been the same story, man. You know, like for the last 10 years, I've been hearing the same people talking about how the market's gonna crash, the market's terrible, the market's going, it's just constantly, it's just one big fuck fest constantly. I mean, this is looking like a short setup. I mean, you'd think that this would sell down here, but I don't fucking know. You know, I don't fucking know. Draw the trend line. Oh, I'm drawing it. I'm drawing it. Bond Trade says he's quitting trading. That's probably the best idea, to be honest. When in doubt, just fucking quit. I'm gonna try a short just so we can get stopped out for, you know, entertainment purposes. Let's just try it. Let's just see if we can get stopped out here. Just for fun, you know. $317 said fade me. Okay. Go ahead and fade me, chat. What's up, PW? Big love from Humboldt. Let's go, Humboldt. It's going down again. Do we take profit here or do we look for a bigger move? I mean, the bigger move has not been happening, so I truly don't know. I'll see if we can get down to the 340s. We got 50 accounts. We're giving away 50 Apex accounts at 12 p.m. Eastern today. We got D-Money and Lucas. They're going to be battling it out head to head. Who's the best trader? One day to figure it out. One day to figure it out. This is currently 30 points to the downside short there. So big shout out to all my homies out there. All the homies in the chat. That was almost a fill. Are you kidding me? 34 magically bounces. Market makers are fucked. You gotta be kidding me. That's a joke. Right? That's a joke. That's got to be a joke. That has got to be a fucking joke. It's got to be a fucking joke. Oh, God. Straight back up. PW, do you recommend cashing out on a funded account only when there is certain margin left, or do you cash out? I'd cash out every opportunity that you get, my friend. If you're up, cash it out. Nothing wrong with locking in those profits. All right, I need some redemption here. I need to get this move down here. I'm gonna do this. I'm putting my stop for 10 points, and I'm looking for. We're gonna go for that kind of 300 break possible. And stopped out. All right. Chop Chop City, feeling pretty. Got stuck right at my right where I got stopped down. Nvidia, everything's just kind of chopping around down here now. Patrick, how was the fishing tournament? It was good. We got second place. PW, you never thought about increasing your stop loss distance and maybe reducing the size? I've never thought about that ever. I've been trading for 10 years, and this whole time I've never thought about reducing my size, increasing my stop loss. I've been doing this for 10 years, and I've never thought about that. I took profit, yes. We are out of the short. Took 10 points. Did not get the move that we wanted. Now it's just chopping right back up here, so. I don't know. Will it squeeze back up here now? Maybe. Maybe. I don't fucking know, man. We're just going nowhere. So. Oh God, the people in the chat are just—it's amazing. It really impresses me how many geniuses are in the chat. I mean, it's crazy. Like when you think about it, right? Like, it's impressive. You gotta really be impressed. You know, you gotta really be impressed at how many people. I mean, we have so many smart people in the chat. Like, it's crazy. I mean, there must be at least 100 fucking There must be at least 100 millionaires who day trade live watching the chat every day. It's honestly, it's impressive. I like to think that, you know, it's quite the accomplishment that, you know, there's all there's all these millionaires out there that are just watching me day trade live. It's so cool. I'm pretty much like the king of the millionaires, basically. Andrew said, we just want to see you crash out. Okay, Andrew. Well, don't worry about it, buddy. You can go to the VIP room forever. And hey, Andrew, make sure you don't email Ginger. Don't you know? Don't cry about it and be like, he banned me. I was just joking. Well, there you go. Crash out. Crash out, buddy. PW, expect more downside. I mean, I expect it. I expect it. Question is, will we get it? I'm gonna try it. YOLO. If we start to sell down here, I'm gonna add, but if not, just maybe chop. Expect more downside. Matt said he lives in a basement and buys evals with his girlfriend's credit card. Be careful, Matt. You got to be careful if you're buying evals with your girlfriend's credit card. You got to be careful, sir, because, well, you might get banned when you go to get a payout. Oh my God, NASDAQ. Not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. This is really gonna do this again. Ugh. 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 Well, PW, how big of a chop zone do you think we're in? Well, I mean, if you think about it, I'd say we're in a fucking massive chop zone. Pretty much, there's your chop zone. Since June, basically, we've been in this chop zone. So, and looks like gonna get stopped out here again. Okay. Great. Yeah, I don't know. You try to go long, it goes down. You try to go short, it goes up. So the chop is real. We are stopped out there. So right back up again. Off the lows, back up. Crazy work. PW, did you see that Trades by Matt is now following your method of having traders trade on their stream in multiple sessions? I mean, guys, everything in this industry I created. There's nothing original in this industry. The websites, the affiliates, it's all PW. I've been doing this longer than anybody. I am him. I'm the biggest and I'm the largest, you know? Let's be honest. Let's be honest. They've all tried to copy me. Everybody's just trying to copy me. You know? They just copying me. NASDAQ right back up to the middle of the 15-minute range again, just stuck there. This guy just paid 40 fucking BTEX AI trading app. Get out of here. PW introduced me to prop firms. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. It wasn't. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. It wasn't my fault. Don't be mad at me, please. I didn't do it. I didn't do it on purpose. It wasn't my fault on purpose. Don't be mad at me, sir. Some guy said, man, you introduced me to... I'm sorry. I apologize. It's not my fault. I didn't mean to. Please don't be mad at me. Please. Oh, God. Oh, God. Look at this candle just like right back up for no fucking like, look at the 5-minute chart. You got the ES going straight up again. ES is breaking out to the upside, going for new highs. NASDAQ's just chopping right back up here. I can't get a good trade to save my life right now. Like, I'm getting trades, but it's just like I want a good trade. You know, because realistically, in a good market, we should blow through this fucking high right here, but clearly we're just right back down again. Just right back down again. God. Yeah, I mean, I get it. I've had good trades, just not taking the profit. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Look at that, right back. Wow. That's crazy work. Absolutely crazy work right now. Crazy work. Crazy work. Out of there again. Oh my God. La 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 la. I mean, it's just kind of funny though. You got to laugh about it, to be honest. That's all you can really do at this point, is just kind of laugh. Clearly, you know. We locked in $5,000 last night on my Lucid accounts. So we're happy about that. That was a smart move, clearly. Today is not the day to be trading because, well, as you can see, not that. So the moral of the story here is that Trade-of-8 lockout feature is your friend, right? As you can see, I've kind of just made money in this account and then locked it out. Done that for the last 10 days or so. We've now gotten big payouts, $35,000 in payouts with these accounts. So you know, oh man, oh man. Market is brutal today. Why do you not take profit when you see a change in momentum? I'm a little confused. Captain Diamond. I mean, you know, how am I like, I mean, what do you want me to, I mean, I don't know. Easier said than done. Patrick, why do you not just take the profit when you're like, well, I mean, yes, exactly. Look for a short now. I mean, maybe not. I don't fucking know. God, Patrick, why do you not just take profit every time it goes up? Yeah, I mean, yeah, you're right. I should. That's probably the best plan. Oh, look at that. Right back up. It pushed all the way up there, stopped me out, and then went right back up. So, I don't know. The market's not moving, so it's not really, you know. I don't know. Good day to not trade, pretty much. Not every day is a good day to trade, honestly. I mean, this is brutal. Absolutely brutal right now. We're in the middle of the 15-minute range. Market's not moving. Got Nvidia pushing back up off the lows right now, back up 207s. I mean, look at the ES right now, just chopping as well. 7,600 up there to the 14s. You got about a 10-point range here on the ES right now. Just kind of holding up there. NASDAQ pulled back to that EMA once again. Kind of put in a bit of a higher low, at least, right? You had this low, and then this low. So kind of an inverted head and shoulders possibility here. So maybe we start pushing now. Maybe we've got this trend line going on. I don't know. I'd say your best bet is to wait for a clear directional breakout here. Tanner Simmons, can you take me fishing? PW. I don't really have a fishing. I don't really do much fishing in Florida right now. Maybe not. NASDAQ just absolutely chopping here now, so. Not really much to do, guys. Best idea right now is to walk away, come back at 12 o'clock for the D-Money and Lucas show, because this is rough right now, real rough. We had a really good open. I thought, you know, this open, we had the big move down at open, a big move back up, but ever since we've just been stuck now. Battle at the BDH, 12 o'clock. It's going down. Yo, PW, tell my boy Devon to get off steroids and pass an eval. Yeah, man, do it. Get off steroids, man. I mean, this is the hardest part of trading, right? This is the hardest part. The market's open, right? You want to trade, you want to make money, but sometimes not trading is the best plan. Best way to make money on a day like today is just to not make money. It's hard. It is difficult. It's been the one thing that I struggle with the most as a trader, is just surviving the chop, right? There's so many days where, you know, I blow my account trading the chop, and then, you know, after you blow your account, the market has a good move, and you're like, well, fuck. I just blew my account, and, well, now the market's moving, so. La, 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 la. True story. Do you guys have any rules? What do you guys do to stop yourself from over trading in the chop? Anybody got any rules they use? We got 938 likes on the stream, by the way. We got to get at least 1,000 on there. Hourly chart, interesting, right? You got a big wick on the bottom of this hourly candle right now. You got wick up here. There she goes again, trying to push back towards the 500s here. This has been a key level earlier that we got stuck at multiple times, 470, 480 level. Watch, now they're gonna start just going straight up here. You gotta love it. You gotta fucking love it sometimes. My grandpappy used to tell me, boy, sometimes the best trade the trade is the one you don't take. True story. True story. Big shout out to MDKJ for QK. Grandpappy. The rich girl, she's long. All right. Oh my God, NASDAQ. Trade micros during the chop. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. But even then, man, trading see, the problem with trading micros sometimes is you go into it with this idea. They're like, oh, I'm not gonna take big risk. But then you end up just getting chopped up. Those little 100-point losses just kind of get you. They get you. God damn. And here we are, right back down again. JK, NASDAQ. All right, well, we got 20 minutes here. We got 20 minutes until the D-Money and Lucas battle begins. NASDAQ right back down again. Right off those highs, 450s. Crazy work. PW, I just blew my first ever funded account trying to trade the chop. Can you help me? I can't help you. Just being honest with you. Look at that. And there she goes, right back down. Crazy work. I don't even know. I don't even know. What do you do here? What do you do? What do you do? Do you get your eval accounts for free since you promote evals? No, I mean, not really, to be honest. I do pay for evals. Unfortunately. Since you've been trading for so long, how are the market conditions under Trump versus Obama? It don't matter, guys. This whole belief that there's like the market just is better, you know. Oh man, if you would have traded, it just like it sucks all the time. If it's always something. I've been trading, like I said, for 10 years now, and it's never, the market is never like, oh my god, it's so easy to make money. Like it's just always bullshit. The market is just always bullshit. I mean, even when the market's going straight up, like it's still hard to trade because it's just like you fucking think you're gonna try to short the top and then it just goes straight up. So it's always bullshit. Like it's never like, the market is never just like, oh my god, guys, it's so easy right now. It's just constant bullshit forever. What? Yeah. Boat flooring. I mean, that's just like me being honest. Did you trade the same way when you first started? I traded small cap, so it wasn't the same as futures, obviously. But yeah, I mean, if you go back and you watch my first videos that I ever made on YouTube, I was making $100. You know, like making $100 in a day was like a good day. If I made $100 in a day, it was a good day, you know. Why not have Ginger trade the late night session after Denny? What? Ginger's my assistant. She's not a fucking trader. What are you talking about? Did you have a degree in trading before you started with trading? Yeah, bro. I went to fucking Valencia Community College, got me a degree in trading. What the fuck? You think going to college is gonna help you become a better day trader? LOLOL. LOLOL. Patrick, did you get a college degree? Did you get a college degree on how to get fucked by the market over and over? I'm actually an expert in that. I've got a PhD. I've got a PhD in how to get fucked by the market as many times as possible. Would you hire ICT as a mentor? Yeah, I would hire ICT to be my mentor if I wanted to learn how to get fucked in the butt by aliens. Anybody who thinks that ICT knows how to day trade, just go ahead and tell me you're fucking retarded. Like, come on. Ugh, God, this is insanity. We got 12 minutes until this hourly candle closes. 12 minutes. Market's going nowhere. Hourly candle. We're inside the previous hourly candle. That's never good for price action. So we got to see what happens here in these last 10 minutes. Do they start to sell it down? Right? Maybe. Someone says PW makes me laugh at stuff that I shouldn't laugh at. Well, you know, just trying to keep the comedy going here. If we can't make the trades, you know what I mean. The rich girl said, "I'm hoping that we hold 336 and pump." You know what I've learned, the rich girl? I've learned that when you start using the word hope, that's normally a bad sign. If you start saying, I hope that the market goes up, well, I hope it goes up. I mean, hey, I hope it does too. Sometimes a little hope and a little prayer helps, I guess. But yeah, I mean, I'm just talking from experience. Normally, I lose when I start hoping. It's always the hope trades. The rich girl's hoping because she's long. Well, there you go. Hope and pray. My dad used to say, if you should shit in one hand and wish in the other hand and see which one fills up first. And I thought to myself, that seems a little nasty. He said, you gotta shit in one hand and wish in the other and then see which one fills up first. And I'm like, I'm pretty sure I know what's gonna fill up first. I'm pretty sure. PW, have you ever used tick charts before? Guys, I've used everything, right? Every single thing guys, I don't think you understand. I've been trading for 10 years, right? And every single idea, every single conspiracy, every single idea of how to make money, I've tried it. Right? Like, I'm telling you. Every little idea. I've tried every single idea. I've tried every idea. Every dumb idea, every good idea. I've tried them all. Maybe you should increase your size and lower your stop. Oh. Maybe. NASDAQ pumping back up here now. Off the lows again. Shout out to the rich girl. She was hoping, she was praying. Her prayers have been answered. ES is pumping straight back up. NASDAQ's trying to do something. Who won the Legends BDH Cup? Well, right now we've got a battle going on. There's a head-to-head. The final two traders are left. How to deal with intraday drawdown? Fuck, man. Take profit. See profit, take profit. Don't be greedy. I like how people in the chat, like, I called along. They called... I swear. The chat is undefeated for just the most retarded shit ever possible to be said. Patrick, I told you it was a long. Okay. You win, I lose. I don't fucking know, man. What do you want from me? Patrick, I told you it was a long. Why'd you not get long? Why, Patrick? Why? Patrick, why did you not get long? I mean, there's no wick on the bottom of this 5-minute candle. There's a little tiny one. So, I mean, who knows? Trying to predict this market right now, you guessing. It is clearly getting tight. I would say, you know, probably as soon as I'm done trading here, it'll probably do something. We got D-Money and Lucas coming up at 12 o'clock. We got 50 Apex accounts to give away, guys. 50 accounts to give away. I'm not even, no cap. No capping. I got no capping. That's a fact. Patrick, don't cry. Oh, I'm gonna cry, Juan Pablo, you fucking loser. Go back to the VIP room, you little loser. Where's D-Money? He's getting ready to go against Lucas. That's where he is. Lucas and D-Money are having a corn dog eating contest at 12 o'clock. Whoever can eat the most corn dogs gets $5,000. That's a joke, right? No, it's not a joke. D-Money and Lucas are going to be battling it out. Okay? They're going to be battling it out. Who can eat the most corn dogs live on YouTube? Lucas versus D-Money. It's happening in 5 minutes. All right? It's going to be big. It's going to be big, big, big. Well, NASDAQ went nowhere. Well, I think it's a good time to walk away. It is what it is. It goes up, it goes down. Sometimes up, sometimes down, but it's a lot of chop right now. Back down there, 380s again. 5-minute candles going absolutely nowhere. You gotta love it. You have got to love it, honestly. Make no mistake about it. D-Money is here. Make no mistake about it. Oh, man. I hate my life. Sometimes. Look at this. Like, just like, what the fuck? What in the fuck, man? What in the fuck? What in the fuck? Crazy. Crazy. Crazy work. Well, there it is. We got the D-Money and Lucas battle coming up here very soon. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Lucas versus D-Money. It's going down live at the BDH. Live at the BDH here at 12 o'clock. So if you have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, make sure you do. Tune in at 12 o'clock. D-Money show, the Lucas show. Who wants it? Who wants it more? The $1 million question. Right? The $1 million fucking question. Who can be on top? There's only one. There can only be one top trader. D-Money, Lucas. The link is in the chat. If you haven't already, get over there. Get ready. It's coming up. The biggest battle of the century. It's huge. Absolutely huge. It's huge. All right? There it is. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Friday. I got a helicopter to go catch. Heading down to Mexico. So get into it, baby. You got to get into it. All right, there it is. I'll see you guys later on. D-Money, Lucas. My money's on Lucas.